Welcome to the best picks. The best child-proof magnets is probably one of the most important safety devices you can have in your home with curious toddlers or kids, and in this video, I will share my top picks for the best child-proof cabinet locks on the market, reviewing their ease of use, strength, and overall effectiveness in keeping your little ones safe from potential hazards. I'll also cover installation tips and tricks to ensure a secure fit and show you how to test them to make sure they're working properly. Number 5. Eco Baby Magnetic Locks. It's so easy to install, no tools are required. Just measure, stick, and you're done protecting your cabinets. These strong magnetic locks use special adhesive tape, keeping curious little ones out and your cabinet safe. They're designed to be hidden, so your home looks stylish and safe at the same time. This kit has everything you need: 12 locks, 2 keys, latches, an installation cradle, and extra adhesive. You're all set. Make sure to use them on flat wooden cabinets and drawers up to 1.75 inches thick for a perfect fit. They're easy for adults to open, but keep those kitchen cabinets safely locked away from little fingers. A perfect gift for new parents. What we like? It boasts a quick and easy installation process, requiring no tools. Its strong adhesive ensures unbeatable security, keeping curious little ones out. If you value a stylish and safe home, and want a simple, tool-free installation, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. The magnetic feature makes them completely invisible from the outside, so if you don't want anyone to know they are there, they don't have to know. Installation was a breeze. The adhesive is strong yet gentle on the cabinets, leaving no damage or marks when applied or removed. They're still working great. My strong 1-year-old son has not been able to pull off the adhesive despite yanking on the cabinet doors frequently and persistently. Number 4. Eco Baby Universal Replacement Keys. These universal replacement keys are compatible with most magnetic cabinet locks. They're perfect for replacing lost or broken keys, ensuring your child's safety. It fits most major brands of childproof cabinet locks, up to 2 inches. You can easily use them with your existing locks. Keep extra keys around the house so you'll always have one handy. No more worrying about misplaced keys. Simply touch the magnet to the cabinet to unlock. It's quick, simple, and convenient. The package includes 3 magnetic keys and 3 key holders for easy storage and organization. With these replacement keys, you can easily maintain the safety of your home and keep your little ones safe. What we like? These replacement keys are compatible with most brands of magnetic cabinet locks. Always having extra keys on hand provides peace of mind. If you've lost keys or want spares for easy access, this is a must-have. What people say. The magnetic feature makes them completely invisible from the outside, so if you don't want anyone to know they are there, they don't have to know. Installation was a breeze. The adhesive is strong yet gentle on the cabinets, leaving no damage or marks when applied or removed. They're still working great. My strong 1-year-old son has not been able to pull off the adhesive despite yanking on the cabinet doors frequently and persistently. Number 3. Vmaisi Magnetic Cabinet Locks. These locks offer a simple solution to childproofing your home. They're easy to install and keep curious little ones away from danger. You'll receive 12 strong locks and 2 magnetic keys for added convenience and security. It's a complete kit to protect your home. They are designed to fit most cabinets and drawers, providing comprehensive protection throughout your home. Use them in the kitchen, bathroom, or anywhere you need extra safety. Discreetly installed inside cabinets, they're hidden from view, maintaining your home's aesthetic appeal while keeping your children safe. No one will even notice they are there. These locks provide peace of mind, allowing you to relax knowing your little ones are safe from potential hazards. Keep your home safe and your kids safer. The magnetic locking system is both secure and easy to use. The keys are easy to use, and if you lose them, any strong magnet will work in a pinch. What we like? It offers an invisible design that blends seamlessly into your cabinets. The strong magnets provide reliable security. If you prioritize a discreet look and reliable childproofing, this is a great option for you. What people say. These are really easy to install. You can use the sticky command strips they come with or screws for a stronger hold. They function well and hold up to even a little toddler tornado tugging and pulling at the drawer. The magnets are strong so they work on thick doors. I've had to remove a couple and they came off without any damage. I like that they allow you to lock cabinets while also being hidden and discreet. Easy installation. These locks work great for most cabinets and drawers. I found them super simple to install, and the adhesive tape keeps everything securely in place. Invisible design. One of my favorite features is that these locks are installed inside the cabinets and drawers. They're completely concealed, which means my home looks neat and inviting, without any bulky hardware visible. Number 2. Vmaisi Magnetic Cabinet Locks. This set includes 20 strong magnetic locks and 2 keys for added security. They're perfect for keeping curious little ones out of cabinets and drawers. These locks are designed to work on both cabinets and drawers, providing comprehensive childproofing for your home. They even work on doors up to 2 inches thick. The powerful magnets in these locks are strong enough to deter even the most determined toddlers or pets. They'll keep your cabinet securely closed. Discreetly installed inside cabinets, these locks are completely hidden from view, maintaining a clean and appealing look while keeping your home safe. Installation is a breeze. Simply peel and stick these locks in place, no tools, drilling, or holes required. Give yourself peace of mind knowing that your little ones are safe from dangerous items stored in cabinets and drawers. These locks provide simple, effective protection. For optimal performance, ensure the area where you install the locks is free from metal objects like screws or staples. This will ensure the locks function correctly. What we like. These locks are extra strong, even deterring determined pets. The large quantity provides comprehensive protection. If you need extra strong protection and lots of locks, this pack is for you. What people say. The provided template plate that you insert the 2 halves into before positioning is a great idea. This made install so much easier and faster than the old lever-style locks I was using. Cabinets open easily with the magnet key. You don't even need to touch the cabinet with the magnet. Mine can be almost an inch away and it unlocks. These were extremely easy to install and worked on all my kitchen cabinets. So far I have not needed to use the screws and the 3M adhesive is strong enough to keep my 10-month-old out of the cabinets. The key to unlock works great and like the fact that the locks are hidden behind the door and doesn't make my kitchen look tacky. They are super easy to install. Only takes a couple of minutes once you know how to do it. It comes with a tool to make sure you get it lined up properly, then it's just peel and stick. I love that the lock is completely hidden when the door or drawer is closed, so it doesn't look bad like the external ones. Number 1. Vmaisi Child Safety Locks. These locks are designed to keep your little ones safe from cabinets and drawers. They're easy to install and reusable, providing peace of mind for parents. They work great on various surfaces, from kitchen cabinets to bathroom drawers. It even works on those pesky cabinets that your pet likes to get into. Prevent accidents by keeping curious children away from dangerous items. These locks provide an extra layer of protection in your home. Installation is a breeze with the included adhesive. They're also reusable, saving you time and money. These locks are made to last. They can be reused with extra adhesive, and optional screws provide extra security. Give yourself peace of mind knowing your child is safe from potential hazards. These locks offer a simple solution to a common problem. What we like. These locks offer easy installation with adhesive, and are reusable with extra stickers. Optional screws provide extra security. If you want easy installation, reusability, and the option for extra security, this is a great choice. What people say. I had to mount them sideways in order to fit and they work perfectly. I used the self-sticking tape and so far it's holding up. So easy to install and work exactly as expected. They fit well and seems pretty sturdy and really stuck on. My toddler isn't able to open any of the doors I have them on. They're easy enough for my 6-year-old to use, which is a big plus. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.